You have a life to live, a world to enjoy, and people to enjoy it with. At SABRE, our mission is to encourage you to make it safe so that you can live confidently and enjoy the things you love more often, with empowering personal safety products that you can trust. And we align with other organizations who want the same. For over 45 years, we have empowered generations with a deep range of personal safety product solutions designed with you in mind to keep you and your loved ones safe. Products you can depend on with state-of-the-art quality control and testing from a brand that offers more than just what's on the shelf. So no matter where you go, what you do, or where life takes you, have the confidence of the #1 brand trusted by consumers worldwide. Because no one believes personal safety is personal more than SABRE, and it looks a little different for everyone. Preparing for the moments you can never really prepare for. When peace of mind means the world to both of you. Making the usual trip home just another trip. Having the freedom to roam so you can pursue your passion. After all, this is your happy place, your destination, your home. And no one safety solution fits all. So while you're out there living your life your way, know that we'll always be developing, equipping, and empowering you with products as powerful as you are. SABRE, make it safe.